Before na church. Now in church. Now church now. That year, when they grow, they come. Now church. Early in the morning. In fact, on Saturday, you don't prepare. You don't present yourself holy before the Lord. When they grow, they come. You feel they disobey your parents. From Saturday, you don't holy. You don't prepare yourself for Sunday morning service. Abi? I know they talk to Indomie generation. And they talk of people where did it go? The real church. Not be the church of nowadays. All the plates where you don't wash. Friday, on Saturday, you can't gather them. You can't wash those plates. On Saturday morning. Then in the afternoon, around 10 o'clock, for those who they choir, you can't go choir practice. From choir practice, you don't prepare yourself for Sunday morning service. After choir practice, around 5:30, sometimes we can go for evangelism. Evangelism, we go evangelize. For that evangelism, you can identify people where you will carry go church on Sunday morning. Sunday morning, 6 o'clock, we don't wake up. Go do evangelism follow-up. Early in the morning. All our new converts. We're going to go ask to us, Brother Samuel, Sister Joy, Sister Faith, Sister Susie, Sister Marian. You can't stay with the song. It's okay. Stubborn convert when you don't say their papa and mama they serve juju. You can't stay with the die anymore. They'll come back. We'll give you a new Bible. Gideon, that small blue Bible. We can't give you that Bible. Most churches they make Bibles available free of charge. Free for new converts. You can't gather them, go church in the morning. As you go church with your new convert, there's this feeling of fulfillment. There's this feeling of achievement that you have won a soul for Christ, that you have won a soul for God. You carry them. Everybody operation show your convert. That time we days at church. Pastor go preach for almost 3 hours. As they sleep like this, sometimes you go listen to preaching. Sleep will take you. As they sleep, Usher will come meet you. Usher will tap you when you wake up and listen to the word of God. That time for church is first come, first serve. Apart from few seats where they reserve for elders. If everybody want holy, if you see your pastor, you see holiness. But these days, church of nowadays is now business. It's not business. pastor, and those pastors, they know they play. Go check. Go check. Somebody they come from church today now. Check if the redeemed, they your streets. If the Living Faith Church, they your streets. If the Mountain of Fire, they your street, or Dunamis, or Church of God Mission, or Christ Choosing, any church, or where they are your street, go check your pastor and those other churches' pastor. They're not the pally. They are like politicians. Go check, they don't pally. If your pastor, they come church in the morning and he see cars, flashy cars, good cars, he see people, half-naked girls, he see girls when their back they open, he see the different kinds of people, they troop into a neighbor church. Just no say that church, your pastor will take preach for that day. Go talk about fellow pastors, co-pastors, when they used to do till they get me pass. Yes, competition. If your pastor, they drive, they go in church on Sunday morning after ushers, everybody don't prepare the altar. Now pastor, they last come church. Sometimes they quick come in the morning if they get deliverance or they get what they want to. If your pastor, they drive, they come, you see another church when they before a church, he call it see Prado, if they see Vexa, if they see Lexus, if they see some kind of powerful machines, people they trooping into that church. And he go reach the church, he gonna see Keke Napep the park, gonna see Okada the park, gonna see women when get like 7 children, then they trek, they go to church. Your church no they grow, no level for the church. Now that church where they park fence are, now your pastor will take preach for that day. It's sermon for that day. Don't change. Your pastor will they power. And they come to me Joshua matter. Since when I say let me Joshua don't rest in peace, who not go rest in peace? Nobody will not go die. Everybody will die. Who not go die? Who not go die? Tell me, who not go die? Pastors, they see co-pastors as competitors, as opponents. They are supposed to be partners in the gospel. Partners. This morning, that bet my son, my precious son, oh man, they're better and they carry a good church. I say, oh man, how far? They want to give away offering. I now ask, I said, is Owen walking? Owen they walk. What is it offering? Owen they walk? What amigo? And then somebody there, Oyara. In our today church, don't be church again. Now church now, because it's now business. They've monetized the gospel of Christ. The way Isaiah and Governor Obaseki take now so many Jews take they're not the party opponents. because this day is not interest. Interest. I keep saying that many Jews. Somebody said, don't generalize. Okay, let me use the word many or the word some. Some in capital letter. Some. Then they always pray for their co-pastor. Downfall. Downfall. These days, some rich churches, when they get plenty money, when their headquarters they Lagos, so they'll come to say, you got one church when they airport road, you got one church when they upper Sakoba, you got one church when they supply, when they Ubowo, the pass on a normal level. It not be a boy, it not be a deboy boy, it not be Dunamis boy. I foresee members who give our members, it not get right to get plenty members. Who is he? Is he in the cabal? Is he in the caucus? Where is he from? They go come out. They go plant mega church near the pastor church. Mega. These days, rich ministries, they intimidate poor ministries. It is now competition. So not the church where God day now, the church must be very big. Many hotels cannot afford marble tiles. Many churches now, they now use marble tiles. Before, they felt upgrade from Chinese tiles to Italian tiles, from Italian tiles to Spanish tiles. Now, it's not marble. Competition. Marble. There are 5 years, some TV Joshua members will come come on the side, they will come to camp. It's like a political circle. Yes, now they're happy now. TV Joshua now don't go. Who will feel run the ministry like TV Joshua? You go hard. What is wife for preach? What is TV Joshua wife for preach? He get the power when TV Joshua get. All those 3 wise men, I be 4 wise men, I be 20 wise men. When they TV Joshua church, they no fit be like TB Joshua. Hypocrisy. How much? You don't even need money to send condolence letter. You don't need money. If you are too busy, you cannot visit the family, the church of TB Joshua. Why not send condolence message via your online platform, social media handles? We sympathize with the family of TB Joshua. Put the name of your church. They call them beef. They say they beef who don't die. They have been beefing TB Joshua. They have been beefing. TB Joshua's church, the synagogue, is the most popular church. Is the most popular Pentecostal church in the world. Now let God know how much that church they generate for this country. If you get any church where they parade expatriates, white people, that's the synagogue. All library, all Siepore, every Syria Nigeria, the Oibo they pack enter Nigeria. If you see 50 Oibo for airport, 30 they go synagogue church that very day. They come with dollars, they come with pounds, they come with euro, they come with all forms of currency. While the rest, they localize their ministry, they suck from us. We will not even get. They focus on us. TB Joshua not to focus on us. And TB Joshua, if they collect from white people, spread out for here. He was a stark giver. A stark giver. He was a stark giver. He was generous to a fault. That is one pastor that gives money to state unannounced. You won't see it on social media. They dash sitting governors money. TB Joshua dash NFF at the MP money, empower police. He was a giver. TB Joshua was a worker in his church. I'm sure you guys have seen videos. I don't need to tell that TB Joshua. 2006, when I went to Ghana, Ghana, 2006, TB Joshua was already like God in Ghana. For Ghana, I get one full word like that time. KK. Ghana. If I go to restaurants that time, if you see all the TVs, whether I'm about to go everywhere for Ghana, 2006, I did tell you, almost 20 years ago, 2006, when I visited Ghana, TB Joshua was already a household name. Everywhere you go is the synagogue church of all nations, the synagogue. Other pastors call it beef. TB Joshua, how this pastor take day? Who is this? I see Godfather for politics. Who do they call church home? Who is his spiritual father? They say they don't know how somebody come from ghetto make am. They say they don't know how somebody come from ghetto make am. They don't know how TB Joshua come from ghetto. He take over everywhere. All those pastors will be Akagom. They only take from their members. They don't give back. Akani pastors, because TB Joshua, they call the church to give back. They call it wash TB Joshua. TB Joshua was their mentor. TB Joshua doesn't lead from behind. Or you they hear say this church, we want to go do evangelism. You go see your pastor for inside jeep and with bodyguard. If they are going for evangelism, now TB Joshua they stay front. If they are going to share palliative, to give to the low paid, to give to those that cannot fend for themselves, as they are offloading those goods, those food items, relief materials from the truck, TB Joshua is at the forefront, leading, carrying, sharing, distributing. TB Joshua never made himself deputy God. Never say deputy God. In TB Joshua's church, TB Joshua will walk to you. That last woman, he go go back. In some churches, I don't want to mention the church, but I know there, when they call CCU, they are church big bad things. They see, you see, church or some churches, the altar, you see bouncers. If you want to say you want to go Jew leg, the way they take once you beat to hold Jew leg, you go your way. Abio. TB Joshua, you always see people they hug. TB Joshua was free. Very free. Because they beef am. The beef come too much. Now God say, hey, man, I not go kill you. Come heaven, I go take her, come out. Sleep, you know, wake up. That's so big, that's so great, man. Then they die. Before now, our great-grandfathers, if they want to die, they go sleep, they not go wake up. That's how good men die. That's how good men die. All through the time when we just follow TB Joshua, you don't get time when we tell you, say, TB Joshua wife is in America preaching, collecting offering, collecting seed. Many people not even know TB Joshua wife until the man died. It was his personal life with his family. How many of TB Joshua children I know? But these days your GO don't put the children for the first rows, so that if it poof, the children will take over sharply. Because now business or more woman. Now children they inherit my property. So now most first sons of all these daddy GOs that they inherit this church when they invest your life. Money when you say go look for your auntie when they sell maggi, when they sell onions, when they say, Mama, this is my tithe for the month. Take it to improve your business. When we reach Heaven's gate, make I see when I go will say, because you go give your auntie 10,000, will be your tithe. Heaven now will law. Then we go scatter that Heaven's gate. After that, and we have fell away, it will be like answers. We move. Now me will lead the protest. Because me, I'm a stark giver. I am a true humanitarian. I enjoy giving. I love giving. I love to see people happy. It is my nature to give. If on that day, God tell me, say, Albert, this heaven, you know who enter? God. All those and Michael, Gabriel, they say, Albert, that is Albert. You know who enter this heaven? Me go they look there from afar. Okay, now the gate with this. Man, this heaven really fine. Maybe that time before we enter, they see angels when they fly, they go up. Then if you turn back, you're gonna see hair from our back. People go they burn. Help, water, I'm dying. Help. You gonna say, okay, now the heaven be this. Okay, how they proceed. Maybe all the Jamaican will say, no, but how bad with this? When they pray, when they talk anyhow for social media like that. This heaven no enter. Me or they proceed. As I already know they want for profile me, they'll say, you were a good man, you were very generous, you were very honest, you believe in a cause, you fight it to the last. There is no case of you arresting somebody, there's no case of you intimidating, no case of from people. But one thing that will not make you enter this heaven is that you will not pay your tithe. Oh boy, I will look, because many will not pay tithe. I will look, I'll look the youth when they my back. I'll say, how many of them they pay tithe? You know they pay tithe, raise your hand, go up. I mean, very few people. I'll say, the ones who they pay tithe, I'm going to go this side. Blah, blah, will qualify. We will not pay tithe. We will many pass. We will not pay tithe again. Now, small till they drop. Can you tithe? You'll make 1 million naira, 100 million naira in a month. Unless you are poor, you see they fall within 100,000, 50,000, 500,000. You say they pay tax. You will make 100 million naira legitimately, not be fraud though. Not be say you go set crude oil. Not be say you don't go scam people. You will make 100 million naira in a month. You're going to go give your church 10 million. When you get village where people say they don't get water, you get village they don't get health center, you get village they don't get market. See, now we'll dig on that day. I say, hey, if you know say you're going to pay tithe this side, if you pay tithe this side, now we will not pay tithe that many pass. Be honest to yourself. How many people they pay tithe for church? Now why pastors, the members are threatening us with, if you don't pay tithe, your life will be tight. Because they know that many of us we don't pay. I say, yeah, if you don't pay tithe, raise your hand. Oh, boy, I say, we move. See, that heaven's gate, they will break her. Everybody will enter. Everybody, all the angels when they fly, when they will see the crowd, when busting, they will take off. We say, God, what's happening? God, what's happening? Country where you burn us, be like fire. We don't suffer the causes. You know, let me say when you come bomb me for Nigeria, where the system not work. Why you not bomb me for America? Why you not bomb me for Australia? Why not come out for Canada? Why Nigeria? Edo State, BCC, say Savior. Why? When they protest, we not go agree. For example, God will look and say, I temper justice with mercy. Everybody, when I enjoy the heaven. That's not what they enter. See the boy went jump for India, avoiding police arrest. It's possible to say the boy borrow money. Maybe they sell Africa and go abroad. He never make anything. Police won't go carry him. Go for prison. Say because you don't get document. People say, another guy, what's it down life like this? So he jumped. I gave the guy 100,000 naira. My friends, all them in Boston, Amadi, I called Osage Osifo, I called Oye Senator where I called people that I know. Help this boy. Under 1 hour, I was able to raise over $1 million for the boy. Finally, we raised over 3.1 million naira so far. I will show God. I said, God, you see this boy right there, so when he jump for India, let me raise money for him. I will show people, I say, you see this woman, so when she was stranded in Libya with her daughter, now me gather friends with my platform. I raise money for this woman. See this woman, but I don't raise money for you. The woman say, yes, God, not true. God will say, confirm. For me to come sit down, they give my 10% to all these businessmen. They are businessmen. This TB Joshua did, he exposed them and he opened the eyes of many Christians. Many, they are disappointed in their Jews, but the hypocrisy in them, now they hold them not to speak out. But they are very good at challenging their parents, but they cannot challenge their Jew. They see their Jew as deputy God. Deputy God. You cannot challenge. They've instilled the fear in us that if we challenge our pastors, we know they go heaven. It's a big lie. They see, if we start to engage them, they will behave well. How can I be in a church after many years? I have toiled, I have suffered, I don't drive, I don't do evangelism. When the church never grew, church can't grow. Now the church comes, okay, let's have a school where our members will feel they go, so that we feel they generate funds to the service the church. We can't gather money for the church. Everybody dip and we do offering. Now that they don't do the church now, primary now, I want to put my own child, my son, who is aware that his father has been laboring for this church. I want to put my son, my daughter for the church now. They'll come tell me, say no, the school fees now 500,000. The school when pagan, when native daughter, when person when not even know what to be God, when not get church built, then they collect 25,000 per term. Then they collect 30,000. Even people when not know God, they give scholarship. My own Jew, church when we walk, when we build, school when we build, I want to go register my pikin now. They are saying 500,000. My salary don't even reach 50,000. And I get 4 children. If I'm to admit my 4 children, that is 2 million naira. Where am I going to get 2 million naira when I go to pay every term? And we get 2 to 3 terms, depends on some schools in a year. That's to tell you, in a year for just primary, I'm going to spend almost 10 million naira. Where I go see the money? If I'm a government official, I need to use Bible, they change figures. Because obviously, my salary cannot afford it. Obviously. If I am desperate to put my children there, then I need to start armed robbery. I need to do kidnapping. I need to do robbery. I need to steal. I need to inflict pains on people to afford that school where my church built. That is the reality. Now there we did. I don't want to mention names of church-owned private university. Go and check. 95% of people that attend those churches are pastors' children, rich pastors' children. They're politicians' children, rich politicians' children. People when they put us for where we did so. Now their children, they go to school universities, those school primary schools, those school owned, church-owned kindergarten. Now rich men, when the church only question the source of their wealth, the source of their income. Now then, children of Yahoo boys, rich Yahoo boys, now then they go to those churches. We cannot afford it. That is the reality on ground. That is the reality. TB Joshua was doing direct opposite of what they were doing. TB Joshua not get private jets. He stays and sleeps inside the church. He was buried inside the church. He was inside the church. I'm sure you saw his early beginning. They give members water. In the by say they serve, they buy food like every other person inside the canteen. They only say, this is pastor's cooler. When I put food, when they go give pastor. They never worshipped him. He never allowed his members worship him. In fact, he was the one worshiping his members. He was the one worshiping the people. TB Joshua was doing direct opposite of what these businessmen called Jews were doing. That's why they beef am. They beef am till he die. Even as he died, they could not even hide the hatred they have in him. They have for him. They continue. They refuse to send condolence message. They refuse to pay the family condolence visits. Politicians, when me and you, they say be our problem, we be thieves. Those ones they even carry go pay condolence visits. Our pastors, when they lead us, they go heaven. They say lie. Even in death, they say they beef am. Now what they cost me before. Abba, leave men of God alone. Abba, judge not. Abba, don't judge men of God. Men of God, they don't really judge TB Joshua. They judged him, they condemned him that he was not going to heaven. They concluded and they boycotted his funeral. They judged him. And you say let me not judge them. They don't judge TB Joshua and say this one not they go heaven. We don't know where this man forget the kind heart what they give to people. We don't know where forget the power where they hit people. He's not making heaven. They have already judged him. A cabal in the Christendom, rich pastors with private jets, they judged him, they concluded, and they'd already sent her to hell before TB Joshua even died.